The Audi Q8 key fob, models 2018 onwards, uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To begin, locate the seam on the edge of your key fob. Insert a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the notch. Gently pry to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the battery and the internal components. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up with the positive plus mark. The battery has a positive plus side that must face up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it's properly seated. Firmly snap the two halves of the key fob case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it is working correctly for keyless entry, remote start, and alarm functions. If the fob doesn't work, consult your Audi dealer, as some models may require reprogramming, especially post-2023 models with updated security features.